Hello everyone! Welcome to the Tile Map Series tutorial. Today is the 7th lesson of this series. This lesson mainly introduces the tile map, the linkage and selection settings of markers, in addition to the panel function. It may also be linked to other external components for linkage or selection bindings. Next, I will introduce the linkage of marker points. Sometimes we only need to display a certain marker point and hide the other markers. We can use the basics to link the marker points. To achieve this effect, first, open our example project. The project has added a marker group, which contains 3 data marker points. We select the control in the left toolbar. Find and click Add Basic drop-down menu component. In the style, set the options and change it to From Data. And adjust the font color and size. Then click to switch to the data column. Set the option field and the linked field to the name of the data marker point. Then open the data linkage in. Link the other component settings item. The binding between components with the same data may affect each other. If you want more precise control, you can open the advanced settings and switch to the whitelist mode. Select the basic marking group components in the component list. After completing the settings of the drop-down menu component, we also need to set the marker points. We also need to set the points accordingly. Double-click the GIS electronic map component to enter edit mode. Then in the component layer, click to select the basic marker group. Click on the data column in the right panel. Turn on the settings of data linkage, the setting of other components, and add the basic drop-down menu to the whitelist. In this way, we have completed the settings of and drop-down menu components. We click to exit the editing state. Then select the marker point in the drop-down menu. The corresponding marker will be displayed on the map. Next is the introduction of selecting the marker points. In addition to clicking and selecting the marker points, it can also be selected in other ways, such as clicking on the data table too. Select the corresponding marker point Here are the specific steps. First, add a basic data table component. Delete the data in the data column of the component. Binding the data of the marker points in the public data to the data field. Slightly adjust the style of the data table and modify the size and font of the table to make the data clearly displayed. Then expand the selected delivery settings. Turn on the settings for passing to other components. And in the advanced settings, add the basics to the whitelist. Then we set the marker. Set the corresponding settings. Double-click the electronic map component to enter edit mode. Select the basic mark group in the component layer. In the right data column, turn on Receive settings from other components. And in the advanced settings, add the basics. Data table component to the whitelist. In this way, we have completed the settings of and data table settings. At this time, if we click on a row in the data table, the corresponding marker points will also be selected. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.